Welcome, achievers, to mysciences.com. This is Mr. Aguirre with another online lab. Today's lab comes from the California Whole Earth Science Edition. It's a making models lab called Crater Analysis. The California standard is 1A, the formation of the solar system. The objective is to analyze how an object's speed and the angle affect impact craters. The supplies we're going to need is a bowl of flour with flour, 6 marbles, 1 large, 5 small, protractor, meter stick, safety glasses or goggles, toothpicks, and tape for making our little flags. The procedure is to drop a series of marbles from a series of heights and then label them with the flags. So we'll be dropping a large marble from 50 centimeters, a small marble from another 50 centimeters, small marble from 25 centimeters, another small marble from a 1 meter height, a small marble from a 50 centimeter height except at a 30-degree angle. In other words, you're going to be taking the bowl of flour or the box of flour and tilting it at a 30-degree angle. And then again, small marble, 50 centimeter height except at a 45-degree angle. What we're going to be noticing is that the terrestrial planets, especially, and some of the moons, have all these different impact craters like in our moon. So we're going to try and simulate that. So we're going to take the large marble, and I've taken a 99-cent container, plastic container, filled it with flour. The surface of the flour is approximately the same height as the book, which I'm using as a stand. So we're going to take the large marble and drop it from 50 centimeter height, and we're going to label that A. Then we're going to take another marble, drop it from 50 centimeter height as well. Let's try that again. And that will be B. Then another marble from 25 centimeter height, which is right about here. And then another small marble, except this time it's going to be from a 1 meter height. We're going to label that D. And now what we're going to do is we're going to tilt the container at a 30-degree angle. And we're going to tilt it from the back. So I'm going to put this, the 0 at about the corner there. Tilt it at approximately 30-degree angle. Okay. And we're going to label that E. Then we're going to tilt it again at a 45-degree angle. And we're going to label that F. So you can get a close-up of that. So the analysis and the conclusion, examining data. Which crater was formed by the marble that had the highest velocity? Explaining events. Studying the shapes of crater B, E, and F. How did the angle of the flour affect the shape of the crater that formed? And making comparisons. Comparing craters A, B, and D. How do they differ from each other? What caused this difference? And is the difference in the masses of the objects a factor? Explain your answer. So this is Mr. Aguirre for mysciences.com, signing off.